Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let us start our revision class. Now everyone open studio page number 57. So in the last class we completed revision up to 57. So now in this class we are going to revise quick tips. So in this now we are going to learn addition with tens, hundred, thousand and thousand. Okay children, so if you add 10 to a number, the digit in the tens place change and it increases 1. For example, 52,345 plus 10. Okay, we are adding 10. Means once you have to check where the tens place here. It is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So this is the tens place now 4. You have to add this 1 in the tens place of the digit, means it's 52,300. 4 plus 1 you have to add 1 in the tens place children. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and write the remaining digits as same. It's 52,355. Okay, so now subtracting 10 means you have to subtract 1 from the tens place of the digit. Okay children, you have to subtract 1 from the tens place of the digit, means you subtract 4 minus 1 like that. Next, adding 100. So adding 100 means you have to add 1 in the 100 place of the digit. Okay, you have to add 1 in the 100 place of the digit. Now subtracting 100. What we have to do here children? You have to subtract 1 from the 100 place of the digit. Okay, you have to subtract 1 from the 100 place of the digit. So this is the 100 place. Means you have to subtract 7 minus 1. Write the remaining digit 67,000. 7 minus 1 is 6 and write remaining digit. 67,770 minus 100 is equal to 67,670. Okay children, if you adding means you have to add 1 in the place and subtracting means you have to subtract 1 from the respective place. If you adding 100 means the 100 place of the digit changed, and adding 1000 means thousands place of the digit changed. And let us open page number 58 children. Fourth one. Complete the statements by writing the correct option and the number. So here not given any operation. Here not given operation children. You have to check 52,750 given here. Means what we have to do here? Here given number. So which number is added to this one? To get 52,000. Here you have to add or subtract. Okay, you have to add or subtract to get the given number. So once you have to check which place of the digit has changed here. Okay, so here the first given number, not given operation, and here not given number, here given answer. So once you have to check which place of the digit has changed. Ones place same, 10 same, 100 same, 1000 same. Coming to the 10,000, here 10,000's place 4 is there, and here 10,000's place 5 is there, means it is changed. And it is here the tens place of the digit changed, means, and here it is you have to check it increases or decreases. So 10,000 place digit change and you have to check it is increases or decreases. Here 4 and here 5, means it increases, means it is addition. Increase and addition. Decrease means it's subtraction. Yes, so you have to add 10,000. Okay, add 10,000. First you have to check which place of the digit changed. So write here 10,000. Please check. You have to write the number and check if it is increases or decreases. If it is increase means write plus here, and if it is decrease means you have to write minus here. Okay children, you have to do like that. First you have to observe which place of the digit has changed, and it is increases or decreases, you have to check. Okay, next open page number 59. T-shirt factory has to send 50,000 t-shirts. The t-shirts are packed in bundles of 5,000, 11,000, 14,000, 29,000 and 36,000. Okay, here you have to add any two combinations to get 50,000 children. Means you have to add any two numbers to get 50,000 only. Next, page number 60. Use the numbers given in the box to complete the puzzle. Use the numbers given in the box to complete the puzzle. So we are given totally 5 numbers and here given operation also children. That means you have to add these two numbers to get this one. You have to add these two numbers to get this one. And here you have to subtract two numbers to get the answer. Means you have to observe and you have to do this puzzle. Okay. Next, a group of people started a project to plant 85,000 saplings across the city. Okay, a group of people started sapling 85,000 trees. The number of saplings planted in northern part 34,201 and southern part 37,822. How many saplings were left to be planted? Okay, this type of problem I explained in question time also children. So you have to check. So first you have to find total number of saplings planted. In northern city some of the plants planted and southern city some of the plants planted. No. So first you have to find the total number of saplings planted. So total number of saplings 72,023. So totally 72,023 saplings were planted. So now you have to find how many plants left means you have to subtract total 85,000. No, you have to subtract 72,023 from 85,000 to get the number of saplings left to be planted. Okay children. Next in the down we use addition to combine two or more quantities, and we use subtraction to remove one quantity from another. We discussed in the yesterday's class. Okay children. Next we are in companion given word problems. Once you have to refer. And Anil owns a paint store. He notes down the number of paint cans bought and sold every month. Okay, here given here Anil having one paint store. He bought some paint cans and he sold some paint cans. Here given list of paint cans he bought in every month. You have to check the finally how many number of paint cans remaining at the end of this zone. Okay children. So this is about today's class. Once everyone revise the chapter 4 and get ready for FA3 exams. When you are having maths exam children, Monday you will have maths exam. So everyone be prepared for maths exam and write well. If you have any doubts, call to me and ask your doubts. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.